breaking news that's coming in. Nagarjun, we understand Siddaramaya's son has also now spoken out, backing him. Not surprising at all. He's backed him, saying there's no need to change the Chief Minister.
Well, that's been his constant stand, right? Chief Minister Siddaramaya's son, MLC Yatindra, has been saying that the High Command has not told specifically of him being removed after 2.5 years. Once again, he's reiterated the fact that his father, the Chief Minister, will continue to be the Chief Minister of Karnataka till 2028. And he's got a minister like Zamir Ahmad Khan also backing the statement that Siddaramaya will continue the full 5-year tenure as well. Of course, MLC Yatindra has been saying this. He's been constant on this stand that my father, the Chief Minister, will remain the CM of Karnataka for the full tenure of 5 years.
Let's just listen in to what Yatindra Siddaramaya said.
ಈಗಂತೂ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗಂತೂ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಆಗಿ MLA ಆಗಿ ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸೋ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅಂತೂ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ದೂರಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಗರಣ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಡಳಿತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, MLAಗಳು ಅವ್ರ ಪರವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸುವಂಥ ಅಗತ್ಯ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಏನು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಪದವಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಂತವ್ರು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವೇನೇ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಸರಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂಗೆ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅನ್ಸೋದು ಖಂಡಿತ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ 5 ವರ್ಷ
ಡಿಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಂತೆ ನಡಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಂತೆ ನಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಂತೆ ನಡೀತಾರೆ. ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗಂತೂ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗಂತೂ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಆಗಿ MLA ಆಗಿ ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸೋ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅಂತೂ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
High Command has to take the call. High Command has to take the call. We can't tell anything about that. 100% सॉल्व होएगा.
सर कितने दिनों में होगा?
मुख्यमंत्री रहेंगे यही आप?
मैं पहले से वही बोल रहा हूँ. अभी वो कुर्सी में सिद्धरामैया साहब मुख्यमंत्री होके बैठे हैं. 28 तक वही रहेंगे. अगर उनको चेंज करना तो आप नहीं कर सकते, हम नहीं कर सकते. हाई कमांड करना. हाई कमांड जो भी डिसीजन लेंगे उसके लिए हम तैयार हैं.
Word of the day is High Command. Where is the High Command? Is it high time for the High Command to step in? There's been endless discourse over this, and yet, surprisingly, the High Command of the Congress alone seems immune to this discussion. They've found no reason to step in. They've found no reason to press the panic button. They've definitely found no reason to take a call right now, or for that matter, summon Chief Minister Siddaramaya and the Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar and put an end to all of this. I'll bring in Apurva Jayachandran as well, who's been tracking all of the updates here in the Vedant Sauda. Remember, the cabinet meeting is also underway. Apurva, the question that comes up also is about support. There's a clear factionalism now that's, muddled up what's happening within the Karnataka Congress. Who has how many, Apurva?
Well, in fact, Akshita, if we do go ahead and talk about the specifics there, it is very clear that each of these leaders, be it DK Shivakumar or be it Siddaramaya, they have, their pick of the niche there, those MLAs who are, with them since time starting, they have already been there. So we've seen directly the supporters who have been thronging in each of their forts. Even today morning, while we were outside DK's residence and we were trying to, get a word from him on, what his thoughts are after the cryptic tweet and the message that had gone viral on social media. The only thing is that there have been several MLAs and leaders and cadres who have been going to consistently to DK Shivakumar's house. They're trying to catch a feel of whatever is happening on ground, be it, at DK Shivakumar's camp or where, Siddaramaya's camp as well. You've seen a constant flow of MLAs who have been coming in and going out and discussing on what will probably be, the decision that the High Command will take. But these two leaders, they have remained firm on the ground, that they put their foot down. They're saying that whatever happens, the High Command will ensure that justice is done. And I think that's kind of where this cryptic message comes in, because, this message that came in from DK Shivakumar definitely talks about the promise, or rather the word that was given, which is 2.5 years of Siddaramaya Siddaramaiah, and then 2.5 years of DK Shiv Kumar. Now, is it going to be, the word, is it going to transcend into reality? That is something that we will have to wait and watch. But the politics around this entire, Nataka around Karnataka definitely does continue on.
It's like DK Shiv Kumar put it at the end of the day, Apurva. Word power is world power. It's a very interesting, it's got a ring to it, definitely. He said word power is world power. The messaging was very clear, not subtle at all. But today when he was asked about it, he said, no, I didn't say anything of the sort. That post, by the way, for anyone to see, is still there on social media.